Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can block a particular website on your mobile device. There are many reasons why you might like to block a particular website on your mobile device. So, in today's video, I will be showing you a step-by-step trick on all the settings that are required to be able to block a particular website on your Android device. So please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding. So I will be showing you step by step on all the settings that you need in order to block a particular website on your device. So guys, here without wasting much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing we're going to be doing, here we have to open our browser. Google Chrome is recommended, so I'll be opening my browser like this. So guys, once you open your browser like this, there is a particular website I will be showing you today, and the name of this website is nextdns.com. nextdns.com. So you click and open it like this. So this is the interface of this website. So you click on try it now. So you have to open an account. You have to make sure that you open an account with them. So here we click on sign up. So guys, as you can see, here you have to insert your email. You have to insert your email in order to sign up. But guys, please, before we continue, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. So guys, to open an account with this particular website is very simple. As you can see, you just need your email and password. So it will be coming up like this, and here we have to look for the Dana list. Here we have to click on Dana list. So guys, as you can see, here we have to insert the domain. We have to add the domain, that's the website name. And for the sake of this video, I'll be using facebook.com. www.facebook.com. So guys, as you can see here, so guys, here you click on enter. So guys, as you can see here, you can click on add or save. Guys, as you can see, it has already opened from here. So guys, after then, you have to click on setup. Click on setup like this. So you have to scroll down below. Scroll down below. You scroll down below. So we have to locate the DNS. We have to locate the private DNS here. So guys, we have to copy this code. So guys, we'll show you the next step. So you click on copy. So after then, you have to go back to your settings on your device. We go back to our settings. So guys, here I will search for settings. Okay, click on settings, and then we have to go and search for DNS. So you click on enter, or you can locate your DNS on your mobile device. So let me quickly locate my DNS. So private DNS. So guys, in this interface, you have to click on private DNS. So here you have to insert the code. You click on here, you have to click on this icon here. So guys, here you have to paste, then you click on save. So guys, as you can see, so we have to test if this has worked or not. So we go back to our browser. So you click on facebook.com, www.facebook.com. So you should be able to get an error message. Guys, as you can see, this is an error message. So please, you can try this. After you try this, please drop a comment if this worked for you. Drop a comment on this video to be able to know if this worked for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.